What's up YouTube, it's your girl Kaylin back again with another video. So today, as you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be talking about how I bleached dyed my black $1 thrifted jeans. I filmed this video a couple months ago. That's kind of why I'll look different in the video, and I'm just now editing and posting it because people said they wanted to see it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into how I did it. Alright you guys, so these are the black jeans that I bought. They were kind of like high waters, so I ended up cutting them. But the plain black wasn't giving what it was supposed to give, so I decided to dye them. So yeah. So a couple of the items that you're going to need are some scissors. I had a little brush. You could probably use a sponge, some CLOROX, and of course the black jeans. Okay, so starting out, this isn't really mandatory, but I'm kind of clumsy, so I went ahead and I tied up the side that I did not want to get CLOROX on, just to be safe. And I had a little grocery bag to tie it up with so that I can make sure I did not get it wet at all. Next, I went ahead and got straight into it and started putting bleach on the leg that I wanted to dye. I kind of went in a zigzag motion, nothing too fancy. I really didn't know what I wanted to do, so I was kind of just putting bleach everywhere. And I ended up going a little too hard, almost burnt my eyelashes off, but I'm okay. So the brushing just really works the CLOROX into the pants. This was kind of my first time, so I was really just winging it, but I realized that it takes a while for the bleach to settle into the pants. So you don't really see it at first, but then over time you start to see the color coming out. One word of advice would be to only put the CLOROX in the spots that you really want it at. This is so that it doesn't settle in, and then like some spots will be lighter than the other spots, as you can see. So I kind of just kept adding CLOROX and then brushing it out. But don't add too much till you feel like you're going to get sick, because I totally did that. I then just continued to brush the CLOROX into the pants until it looked pretty desirable. Alright, so this was my final result, and I just rinsed it out with a little water before throwing it in the washer. Alright, so when washing, I just washed it on regular cold, and yeah. Guys, so this is what it looked like before I added a little razzle-dazzle to the pants. Alright guys, so I ended up just going into the pants with some scissors, just cutting some straight lines into it. The part where it's kind of like those little fringes kind of just happen after a couple washes and putting it in the dryer. And the more you wear them, the better they look. Alright you guys, so these were the final results of the pants. Hopefully you guys liked them, and hopefully I explained everything clearly. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.